So how to create and send invoices to clients using Shopify.io. First, go to Payments, click Invoices here, and click New Invoice. So next, search and select the contact you want to bill. Add your products or services. Set the due date here and customize the invoice message. Click Send and the client will receive the invoice via email with a payment button.